Hello my viewers around the globe, this is Simaligas. For today's video, I want to show you how you can withdraw crypto or fiat on Bybit. So just stick with me until the very end. Yesterday went and tomorrow is not your day. The best day to buy Bitcoin or any asset of crypto is today. Because the more days you miss, the more money you miss. So if you don't have any platform where you want to buy crypto from, just go in my description below and you find all these links and you can still earn up to 7,210 in commission. So if you open with me Binance, Bitget, Bybit, Coinbase accounts. So with that said, let's dive into the video. So under Bybit, when you want to withdraw, you go on assets and you click on withdraw down there. Under asset review, you'll still click on withdraw. So under withdraw, there is one chain withdraw and internal withdraw. One chain withdraw includes of so many platforms that you can use to withdraw crypto like Binance, blockchain, there is the Bitget and so many. But for internal transfer, this one is internal. You use from Bybit account to another Bybit account. So and this one, its fees is so minimal. So let's start with one chain withdraw. First, you select the coin that you want to send or you want to withdraw. There is a lot of coins here. You have BTC, you have Ethereum, you have Bitget, USDT and so many. So you will select depending on which coin you want to withdraw. So you will select the wallet address. This wallet address, you go like maybe on Binance, then you copy it from like here, then you come back on Bybit. And you make sure that you select exactly the coin that you have selected, because if you select another coin, then you put a wallet address which of like USDT, then your money won't be there. Your money will be lost. So you select exactly the address of BTC or the coin that you have selected. So for this one is BTC. You paste it. So after pasting, sometimes Bybit can select its chain link, as you can see here that this one is BTC exactly. Then you put the amount, let's say all the amount. So you will hit on submit button and your money will go directly on this wallet address. So on internal transfer, it is almost the same. You just come here, you select the coin that you want to withdraw. The recipient account with internal transfer, you can use the email address or the mobile number that the person used to open a Bybit account. So you can put here the email address like this one, gmail.com. So after putting the email, then you put the amount that you want to withdraw exactly. Once it is done, then your money will go directly on this email address that you have put. Make sure that this email is correct and he has given you a good email. Another way how you can withdraw crypto or fiat, you will go on buy crypto, then you select pay to pay. So with pay to pay, if you don't know how to use pay to pay, please go in my videos on this very channel. You will check on that video, it is there, and you learn more how you can use pay to pay. But here you're going to select sell because we are withdrawing. We are going to find the advertiser, good advertiser with good price and whether he has the good money, and even you check the limit whether your money that you want to withdraw is accepted by that advertiser. So you select even the amount, which coin do you want to withdraw. Do you want to withdraw BTC, Ethereum, USD? It depends. So you select depending on which coin, and even you can select the currency that you want to withdraw. It depends which currency do you want to use. You can use euro and so many force. So after selecting all these ones, and you see that this now like here, this price is good, but also you check the payment method. Some of the payment methods here are not used in some countries. So you select depending on which payment method that advertiser is using and whether it supports you. Maybe we have selected this one, so you hit on sell. So once you are on sell, you put the amount that you want to sell. So after putting the amount that you want to sell, so this is the amount that you're going to receive. You add the payment method here. In adding the payment method, it depends which payment method that you want to use, but make sure that this advertiser that you have selected, let me first go back, this advertiser that you have selected, make sure that he supports that payment method that you're going to use. So in most cases you can add depending, every day you can add depending on which payment method that you want to use, but make sure that the advertiser that you have selected uses the payment method that you have added. Hope you have understood. So once you are done with the payment method exactly and you add the payment method, so you will sell, and once you sell, automatically the money will go on the payment method that you have added. So hope you have understood. That's how you can withdraw crypto or fiat on Bybit. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. Comment on this very video so that I can answer all of you. Bye for today. Good luck.